What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the On The Gas Show. We're back with another video, and today we're going to be working on the 2-week giveaway that we got going on right now. Like I said, we wanted to end the year with the bang, and that's why we are giving away this beautiful SS clone, the one Tiny didn't buy. I'm actually glad that Tiny didn't take the truck, bro.
Which is kind of good because now it gets to go to one of you guys.
Yes, my boy Machete's in the house.
What's up, baby? How you do, baby?
Chilling, bro. You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Yes, what's up, Frank? How you doing?
Nothing. We're gonna put a cam on this truck.
Ooh.
Yes, we are gonna put a cam. Now, the truck is pretty much done. This truck has a brand new paint job, brand new drop kit, brand new tires and wheels, brand new sound system. It does have a brand new exhaust all the way. The only thing is missing right now is a cam kit. And once we put a cam kit, call out Machete, you probably smoke that Mustang. No, it's not gonna be that fast. It's not gonna be that fast. So we are in a cam kit. I think we are also adding a converter, and this truck does not have electric fans. The electric fans help you out better than the actual fan that comes with it. So we're gonna be adding electric fans, cam kit, and a converter. Our boys at Pasadena are gonna hook us up with that. So before we take off to Pasadena, make sure to like and subscribe to his channel. We got a lot of fire content, and the way to get entered to this badass giveaway that we got going on is by purchasing the nice little truck decal that we got. And only the decal, no merch. Now if you want to buy you a nice sweater, different type of sticker, a nice hat or whatever, you're more than welcome to get you that. But if you want to participate on this giveaway, you got to buy that truck sticker only. We are not making shirts. We did a short notice giveaway. It's a 2-week giveaway, so we don't have time to actually get the shirts ordered. We're gonna be backed up, and then y'all guys don't get the shipping, and then we just don't want to mess with that right now. So the truck decal will get you in the giveaway. Remember, each decal is 50 entries. If you buy one decal, that's 50. If you buy 2, it's 100. You buy 3, 150, 4, 200, and that's the way it goes all the way up. You can even have 1,000 entries if you want to. All you gotta do is shop onthegas.com and get your entries. Now, the deadline for this one is December the 30th. So you pretty much got all week this week and all week next week, all the way till Friday. And then the 31st is Perrio's birthday. So December 30th is the deadline for this giveaway. Like I said, it's a short giveaway. It's a 2-week giveaway. We wanted to end the year with the bang, and we're gonna end it with the bang. Seems like everybody likes this truck, bro.
I think it's the color.
It's the color, yeah, of course, and it looks like the OG clone that I got, which we're gonna start working next year. We're gonna have to go to the valley and go talk to Mr. Gabs. Hopefully we can finish it off, hopefully by 2023. But this truck does look a lot like the OG clone that we got, and I can't wait to finish that truck. It's gonna be nice. So yeah, 2-week giveaway. Each decal is 50 entries. You probably be the next lucky winner. You know what I'm saying? The deadline is December 30th. We'll be calling the winner for this truck on January the 2nd. Also, we got some exciting news. Like I said, man, y'all gotta be subscribed to his channel because we got a lot of fire content. We got hit up to go to Atlanta. We're doing a music video with PRE, which is the Young Dolph people. Yes, we are taking the Challenger that we got wrapped at Atlanta Custom Wraps. We are going to Atlanta with the car. Apparently, they're doing a video shoot for the new album, the new Young Dolph album. They asked us if we wanted to be part of it. And, you know, of course, we're Young Dolph fans. So we're gonna be taking the Challenger to Atlanta the beginning of the year. So y'all stay tuned for that. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. But right now, we're gonna be heading out to Pasadena, so let's go.
So in the previous video, we asked you guys to send us some gifts or fan mail to our shop, and somebody actually sent us something, and it went to Perrillo. We're gonna show that clip right now.
So, I guess, look, somebody sent me a little birthday gift. Happy birthday, Alex. All the way from Minnesota. So, I open it. I'm like, damn, this gave me a fucking spark plug. What the fuck? And then there's a little note inside. And it says, happy birthday, Alex. The spark plug is actually a stash pipe. So, look at this shit. Look at this shit. So, you do this. Put your little weed there. Yeah, mamalon. Si me quieren.
So there it is, guys. What you think about that gift?
It caught me by surprise. I opened it and I seen a spark plug and I was like, what the fuck did they send me? I'm like, is this a joke, like for my truck losing, you know? Or
Yeah,
what?
right? Yeah.
And then I seen the note and it was pretty cool. So shout out to Eric Young. I think he's from Montgomery, Minnesota. I don't know where that's at, but shout out to you.
Like we said, guys, you guys can send us some fan mail to 1409 Amarillo Street. We'll put the address right here. So yeah, so once we get a couple of things, we'll make a whole YouTube video of a bunch of fan mail, opening it up and things like that. How'd you like the ride on this truck?
It rides amazing. It turns well. The music's loud. Shout out to Custom 10 for the badass sound system. I mean, what more can you ask? It's an SS clone with a blue, you know? This is a badass truck. Nah, it's a pretty good job, you know? Whoever wins it, I hope they take care of it. Because even I want to win this truck, but unfortunately I can't.
So this is actually the first blue SS clone we give away. The other SS clones we've given away have been in white. One went to Arizona, which we ran into the dude at Dino's Get Down, and the other one went to the Valley, which I believe the guy still owns it, and we haven't seen it again, but we did get to see the other one from Arizona, which is good. So hopefully you guys that win these trucks, take them to shows and things like that so that we can still see how you guys kept up with the truck. Hopefully y'all take care of them and don't sell them. If you guys just want to sell them, hit us up and we'll probably buy it back. You know,
they should take it to shows. I enjoy watching these trucks when people are actually driving them, you know, got previous owners, the numbers, they send me pictures and the trucks are in the snow and all that. So that's pretty badass. Y'all making sure these trucks are getting used. So that's badass. But like I said, y'all can win that truck and please take care of it.
Mr. Parillo.
Look at.
What up, dog?
You can jump out over there eating fucking chocolate covered strawberries.
You asleep? I got some for you. No, I got some. I got Pasadena Speed Shop, bro. I got you some edible arrangements for ONDGAS for our #1 customer.
edibles.
Edible arrangement.
Oh, edible arrangement.
Oh, this took the strawberries.
What is that?
Pineapple.
Is it? Yeah, you know what they say when you eat pineapple. If you know, you know. Some gonna be sweet.
Hey, bro, they'll send that 1,000 times.
Damn, wow, don't fucking steer me.
Alright guys, so we're here at Pasadena Speed Shop. You already know we're getting a little ONDGAS sauce on this truck. So Frank, Beto, and me, we were talking about maybe we should put a cam on this truck. So we're gonna do the little Perrillo special. That's what I'm gonna call it, you know. It's gonna get sponsored by Texas Speed and maybe throw in a little converter, you know.
You sure you want to do the Perrillo special, bro? That's a big cam. And that cam is for like a 200 shot of nitrous. Like, yeah, we'll do a Texas Speed, like a stage 2, low lift.
Stage 1, stage 2, low lift cam.
They have some real good cams. I mean, you don't want too much chop.
Something that requires a 2600, 3200 converter.
Yeah, not too crazy.
Nice chop to it.
Yeah, we'll get like a Trailblazer converter, huh? Maybe?
Yeah, something like that.
Like a Trailblazer converter, something small. I mean, I'm sure y'all don't want too much chop, right, Frank? I mean, more like something to go with the truck.
A little cruiser.
Yeah, because it's a cruiser and it has a sound system in it, so we don't want anything too loud because you won't be able to enjoy the music, and it's not a performance truck.
Yeah, I mean, what's an SS clone? So you want it to be a little bit, just kind of go with it, but no, just something with a nice little chop, man. Texas Speed has a lot of really nice off-the-shelf custom crime cams. They'll take good care of us with one of them. Oh, we're also gonna do electric fans. Get rid of that. I mean, these clutch fans, it's connected to the crank, and it's just a little bit extra drag on the crank, so you lose a little bit. It already has the long tube headers, right? You already did that. So
Hold the water pump.
No, it's to the crank, Roy.
Water pump.
Well, oh, you know what? I'm lying. It's on the accessory belt drive. It's in line with everything, so it's been proven electric fans pick up a little bit of more power than a clutch fan.
You get rid of that noise.
What noise?
When you turn the AC on, you give it gas, it makes like a wind noise. I don't know what that is.
Oh, don't put that, don't put that.
Yeah, we're putting that.
This is the second SS or you're actually gonna put a cam on.
Yes, I wish we could put some 200 shot of nitrous, bro. That would be badass.
Bottle right there laying around.
You don't even spray, bro. Shut up. You know what?
It is sprayed. It is sprayed.
You make us look bad, Perrillo. Me and Roy, bro, we were like, hell yeah, you're gonna gap Beto. Finally, you're gonna beat him. And then you guys.
I thought so too. I didn't get scared. I stepped on it. Nothing worked.
Perrillo, we're gonna have a talk, bro. You have to go over your truck, bro. When you're gonna race, your life is on the line.
I
did you make sure to spray before?
Yes, I
You
did.
didn't spray on that run, bro.
No, that's right. I did. The night prior to that, I stepped on it and it
Oh,
sprayed.
bro, day up, bro. We're racing, dog.
Well,
Beto now is talking about how he beat you and his truck's faster. Now, whoever gets the truck.
Right. It's all right.
No, Perrillo, it's racing.
But no. It's a comeback. It's a comeback. You know, I gotta learn how to lose.
What sucks about that race is that was the only chance you actually had to beat Beto because we don't have any other truck in that caliber anymore.
Exactly, bro. That's the only chance we had. And if you beat him, he already told you he's putting out Holly.
I'm gonna be in my own category now, all right? I got my own category.
What I'm gonna let Beto drive your truck, and he's gonna run a faster time than you just because.
He probably is. He has more seat time.
It's just mash the gas, Perrillo. What you mean?
It's that light. You gotta watch that light.
No, the time don't start
Let me
until.
make some excuses here, bro. Let me win.
Excuses are other teams, not our team, bro.
Okay.
You gotta do your job. Racing, it's about doing your job, and you didn't do your job, bro. And you make the rest of us look bad.
It's part of racing,
I still love you.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
I still love you, bro, but we gotta do some more testing too, bro.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, now I need a tranny though, so.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we're
Alright, well, back to this one. We're gonna take care of real quick. Something real nice. I'm sure it'll sound real good. So we're excited. It'll be real nice for everybody.
So we're gonna do the cam, the electric fans, then it needs a tune. Obviously.
Yeah, it'll be a cam. We'll put the electric fans. We'll put like a Trailblazer converter, and for sure the tune. Yeah, 93 pump gas tune on there. I think it'll be perfect. And the system sounds good too. So you're not gonna really hear the chop over the system, but we know it's there. No, Waldo tiene que.
Te lo están regañando. No, tú no vales verga. Ya me dijeron un cuartito de por todas las mamás que has hecho. Vengo a regañarte, güey. Nomás eso vino. Y luego dicen, es que le piqué el botón y...
se me aceleró.
Métele a la verga.
No vas a regañarme ni uno para hacer nada.
This is probably like 50 pounds. All right, guys. Just like I said last time on the video, we gotta get faster.
That's the only chop.
We gotta get faster, and the only way to get faster is to spend more money here at Pasadena.
Hell yeah.
So, we talked about these turbos already, but we're finally gonna pick them up because tomorrow we're gonna be dropping off Crawfish. It's going to Speed Lab Creations. My boy Jose is really expensive, but he does great work. So,
No, bro.
That's a fact.
it's a fact, bro. Hey, you gotta pay to play. You gotta
He's
pay
the
to
best
play.
at what he does.
He's the best. He's a cold dude. Now, we gotta pay a little extra because we gotta cut line, you know. We gotta cut line, so you gotta, throw in a little extra money. So, tomorrow we're gonna be dropping off Crawfish, and finally we're gonna be adding these big ass turbos, 88, 106, and then we got another motor coming.
It's twin 88.
Yes, twins. Oh, you thought it was one? Where's the other one at? Yeah, so we got twins, 88s, 106. Anybody can buy these at the market. They're kind of expensive. Let's talk about prices because people always want to know prices. How much is each turbo? Let's just say regular.
You go to the website, bro. You gotta call for pricing.
Oh, they don't have.
They don't have a price on the website. For both turbos, it's about $12,000.
$12,000 in turbos. Yeah.
So 6,000 every turbo.
Yeah, it's like 60 something. Oh, okay.
That's worth more than 14.
They're about 5,900 each.
And then we do the V-bands. We like running the V-bands on there. You talk about that much better in the past about the V-bands, the backside. They make T4 and T6s. We're a real big fan of the V-bands. I think it looks a lot nicer, and then also it's stainless.
And this is a brand new turbo.
Oh, this is a brand new GT55 that was released in SEMA this year.
Okay, so it's brand new. It's a
brand new design, the latest and greatest.
Okay, so it's the latest and the greatest.
Billis intersection.
Everything. I mean, it's a big, expensive turbo, but it does the job.
Oh, yeah.
And you cannot go wrong with the Garrett brand. We have VS Racing, we have Precision, Force Induction, we got Bullseye on Gangbang, we got Garrett's on Crawfish. And I really like the way Crawfish works with the Garrett's. We've never had problems. They never smoked. Nothing has ever gone wrong. It's been working for the past year.
Yeah, it's a solid year.
Yes. So we're finally gonna do some upgrades on the turbos. We got 79s right now, but we're maxed out.
Yes.
Maxed out on the fuel pump, injectors, and turbo. And right now we're pushing about 2,000 horsepower.
2,000 horsepower.
2,000. So with this one, 25,
The turbos would be good for 35.
35. But
Yeah,
the
but
motor,
we're not gonna. Yeah, the motor itself be about 2,500.
the motor that we got right now. The motor we got right now, it's a dark block. It's not billet or nothing. We do have a billet motor coming. So probably by April, the final shootout, the truck will be there with the motor, with the new turbos. It'll be at Truck Nationals for sure, which is coming up January 28th. Do not want to miss out. Brought to you by Natchez Outlet. A lot of racing.
A lot of racing. A classes.
A classes,
Over
a lot
20,000.
of over $20,000 in payouts. So it's gonna be good. Save the date, January 28th at Houston Raceway Park.
Yeah, so gates open at 8 and test and tune starts at 10 a.m.
Yes. We don't know exactly what time eliminations start. We're gonna it's really hard to play it by ear, but we're hoping to try to start eliminations by 1 o'clock.
So it's gonna be a lot of racing and a lot of fun. You do not want to miss out. If you want to see Crawfish doing his thing, make sure to pull up Truck Nationals. If you want to see Brownie, pull up.
Gap Machete.
Yeah. Oh, that race is going down, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's an all-truck event, but we're letting one car and one special guest. This guy here is gonna get.
We'll see. We'll see if my car's out the shop.
Nah, man.
Get some 88 Garrett's, dog. So you know.
You better take that back, bro.
So we're doing 2 cars in the hit, or is it 1 in a hit?
3 in the hit.
No, it was 2.
It was 3.
2.
3.
3 in the hit.
No, it was 2.
Fuck no.
Huh?
Hey, bro, you get everything. 2 in the hit, bro.
2 in the hit, and we're going all the way to quarter mile.
How did I have?
No, you don't. You made 1,000. Frank's
Frank
making
makes like 1,900.
Oh.
Hell, and I wish.
Nah, yeah. It's gonna be fun, man. We'll see. Hopefully, I don't break nothing, and we'll be good to go. We're just gonna give everybody a good. I want to see what Brownie look like from the back. You know what I'm saying?
So comment down below and let us know who you got. Either you got Machete with the Mustang, or you going for Frank and the Brownie truck. I know y'all got Brownie because obviously y'all built it, but who you got, Perrillo?
Brownie.
Brownie, what to do?
Go ahead.
Hey, you're a Ford guy, bro.
You ain't gonna hurt my feelings,
I
my
mean,
boy.
I'm a Ford guy, but if you're gonna shift like the last time, don't even fucking race.
Oh, I have to wait.
No, prénala la verga, mejor. No, but it should be a good race. Dos carros.
Who you
Well,
going?
I mean,
No, pues debe estar buena, güey, pero si,
Where you go?
mira, si la de Frank patina, no lo va a alcanzar. No lo va a alcanzar.
and that's what's gonna happen.
Si no
There's a
patina,
chance.
si no patina, te van a ir a pasar así por arriba la verga.
Padre, my patinar, I'm gonna be at 30 miles an hour still
Who you got?
cruising.
Who you got at the end of the day?
I got Frank if his doesn't smoke out the tires.
Okay, there you go. He
And I
got
got
Frank.
you if he smokes out the tires.
That don't make
It
sense.
doesn't make sense. You gotta choose one, bro.
Choose one.
Ya, vato, chingas que está bien difícil.
Dale, compadre.
Pero no, pues le voy al Mustang, güey.
Hey.
Le voy al
Yeah,
Mustang.
apostamos, ¿sí?
No,
That's my partner right there.
no.
La Chocolata contra la Holly. That'd be a good race. They both run
sí.
550s.
Sí, está especial para esa.
There you go, dog. You gonna bring Holly out or you gonna leave that bitch parked?
No, I'm gonna bring it out.
He already put the sticker, bro. He said when he puts the sticker,
Yeah.
and he's gonna race it.
What
sticker?
So, Holly.
Holly stickers.
He has a Holly sticker
I need to
for
put
the
an anti-roll. Por eso se quiebran las barras. Por eso no la he corrido porque
Pega arriba.
pues, cuando se levanta y se dobla, la barra pega y salta la barra. Llevo 4 barras
No,
de 1200 cada una.
Ahí déjala.
Ya tuvieras un rear end.
Ahí déjala, no le muevas.
No, hacerle el anti-roll y llevarla.
O un rear end también. Because that little tempo, it's not working. It doesn't like it. Anyways, so Machete and Frank is going down January 28th. You do not want to miss out. And then we got the final shootout April 1st. And that's it. After that, there's no more events. There's no more track, actually. It's a pretty sad day still. So let's have a moment of silence. Yes, so we got the twin 88s. We're going to be taking Crawfish tomorrow. These are big ass turbos, bro. Is the motor that we got right now, I'll be able to spool it.
Yeah.
We're
That
gonna
doesn't
try.
sound convincing, bro.
So we talked about it. Crawfish, it has, we got the new converter.
Yes.
That's a big deal.
So these turbos are for the new motor, but we're gonna go ahead and install them right now, and we're gonna try to work with the motor that we got right now.
They're a little big. They are a little big for the motor we got.
Yeah.
But with the converter technology nowadays, you could do it as well as the internal and the external dumps that we have on Crawfish transmission.
Okay.
We think we're gonna be able to spoil them. It might not be like right now. Crawfish is
Instant.
So it might take a couple of seconds, but it's like we have like turbo loading. What does it say? Like turbo loading or whatever.
loading, yeah.
We're gonna need that. little
What
sticker.
lag? What lag?
Oh, we're gonna have some lag.
Yeah, y'all, you gonna have some lag, my boy.
It's all right. I'm gonna pass you up como quiera.
We 2 different brackets, though. That's why you gotta get bigger, dog.
Anyways, yeah, tomorrow's gonna be an exciting day, dropping off Crawfish. But right now we got to go back to the shop. We barbecue today or what?
That's what Tiny said. Tiny said.
Oh,
Tiny
Tiny.
All right, let's put these turbos up and we gotta go with the shop.